So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a little walk and talk video. I want to go over something because obviously Shiba Inu has been going absolutely crazy. Most cryptos were down today, quite substantially down on a lot of cryptos, but Shiba Inu is going straight to the moon, breaking levels that I didn't necessarily think was even going to happen. So can this continue to go higher? In short, yes, it can continue to go higher, but also in short, this is a momentum. This is a movement, much the same as AMC and GameStop, Dogecoin even. So, but for the most part, it is momentum. And that's really what I want to talk about is you have to think about this in the sense of where we at in the momentum lifestyle of this. Because obviously, the market cap is only about $25 billion. Dogecoin at the highest was about $100 billion. I would argue Shiba could go even higher than Dogecoin. And if that is the case, we could go much higher. We could 4x from this price before we do get to Dogecoin at the peak of its market cap. So the question is, what will be the tipper of the momentum? And that's something that I can't tell you guys. I can tell you that a lot of people are waiting for more accessibility around Shiba, specifically when it lists on Robinhood. And you better imagine Robinhood is working as fast as possible to get this implemented on Robinhood because they made most of their revenue in Q2 off of essentially Dogecoin. So these brokerages, they make hand over fist. And that is what a lot of people are waiting for, is really more accessibility. Like I said, a lot of people are trading this thinking that when it lists on Robinhood, it's going to get a lot more buyers. It's going to go even higher. And that is probably the case. That is where I would put my money. But like I was saying, it comes down to what spectrum are we on? We know it can go higher, but do you think this is the beginning? Do you think this is the middle of the momentum? Or do you think this is the top of the momentum? Me personally, I think it's the beginning. I think this could be a lot bigger than Doge. Do I have a position in this? I certainly do not. But if I were to play this at the current moment, because I heard some crazy statistic, if you had invested $1,000 into Doge last year, that would be worth over $500 million now. And that is absolutely insane. Pretty much the coin was worth nothing before. Now it's starting to get up there. So as far as me investing in this right now, if you have a position in this, you're up. Congratulations. You probably made a lot of money. I know virtually everybody in Shiba has made quite a bit of money. But for me personally, I want to, put maybe a couple $100 in there. Something that I wouldn't lose sleep about if it did, go down. I lost 50%, whatever the case is. A couple $100 could still do you a lot of damage. If this thing really does go crazy, goes to $1, that would be incredible. I think you'd see a lot of things sell off in the overall market, but you'd still make ton of money even with a couple $100 investment. So I do think we have much more room to climb. As far as actually listing on Robinhood, you could see a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event, and that is just like it sounds. You buy the rumor thinking people are going to buy into this or whatever else you're, buy the rumor, sell the news, and then eventually when it comes out, you see a lot of traders sell out upon the news of that. But I think an even bigger thing, and this is really due to the accessibility issues, is it's not very easy to buy Shiba Inu. I don't myself have a Coinbase account because for whatever reason they won't let me set one up. So even if I want to buy Shiba, I have to go to exterior, places to do it. I'm not even sure where I could do this at. Now, that's the case for a lot of people as well. And ultimately, once you get Robinhood starting to have it on its platform and you get all these other platforms accepting it and letting you buy it, that's where you're going to get that demand that really does start to come in. And I think a lot of people are selling off AMC, GameStop, meme stocks, just regular stocks in general, and buying into Shiba. So I think there's a lot more room this thing could go up, but always be cautious when it comes down to this and really think to yourself when you are going to invest in this or you are investing in this, what life cycle are we in? Are we in the beginning stages? Is Shiba a baby? Is it, you know, a kid? Is it an adult? Is it grown up? That's kind of what I'm trying to say. We could be at the high end of the momentum right now, or we could be at the low end of the momentum right now. You never really know. It's up to you guys to come to your own conclusions on that. I do think Shiba could go a lot higher. That's why I want a little bit in this, but I'm definitely not selling off any of my other investments to do so. So that is basically my thought on this. Just be very careful, especially when you're buying momentum, because momentum doesn't always stay. It's momentum. It's, you know, not supposed to stay. But this could go much higher than Dogecoin. You're looking at a 4x as far as market cap is concerned from where we're currently at right now. And Shiba does have a community behind it, which I do love that, and that's basically another reason why I want to put some money into this. So that is basically my thoughts on it. I'm not a Shiba expert. You know, I don't even have a position in this, but I know a lot of people that have AMC, all these other stocks. They're selling their stocks and buying Shiba. And like I said, do whatever you guys want. Shiba definitely has room to fly, but you just got to be careful because you don't know what spectrum of the momentum you are currently at. And this could definitely get more peak media attention. It's, you know, see a lot of people selling out of other cryptos, buying into it. So you're definitely going to have a lot more people talking about it, which is definitely bullish right there. All in all, I think we could definitely at least go to Dogecoin's top market cap, which was around $100 billion, potentially higher than that. I only remember about 100 billion. And Shiba, it was only around 25 billion last I checked. So that is basically all. Just my 2 cents on it. Take it for what it is. A big grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial planner. Definitely not your dad. But that's pretty much it. So like the video, all that good stuff. If you guys like these walking talking videos, if you guys want more Shiba videos, I could put together some more in-depth, you know, price targets on it. Definitely have my research to do. But you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.